Imagine navigating a maze without a map. That's what working without a well-drafted contract feels like. Contracts are the backbone of employment, ensuring clarity and protection for both parties involved. Subscribe to our channel for more useful updates. A detailed employment contract is essential. It outlines rights and responsibilities, minimizing misunderstandings. Both employers and employees benefit from this clarity, fostering a harmonious work environment. Ignoring UAE labor laws while making the contract can lead to severe consequences. Non-compliance can result in legal disputes, financial penalties, and damaged reputations. A robust contract helps avoid these pitfalls. Limited and unlimited contracts serve different purposes. Limited contracts have a fixed term, while unlimited contracts offer open-ended employment. Choosing the right type is crucial for aligning with business needs. Now the MOHRE has stopped unlimited contracts. When should you use each type? Limited contracts are ideal for project-based roles, while unlimited contracts suit ongoing positions. Understanding these distinctions helps in strategic workforce planning. Contract duration impacts employment stability. Limited contracts provide clear timelines, while unlimited contracts offer flexibility. Both have implications for job security and career progression. Every contract should start with basic details. Include employer and employee information, such as names, addresses, and identification numbers. This sets the foundation for a legally binding agreement. Go to the description box and find the sample of the contract, which you may need to prepare it as an HR professional for the employee. Job titles and descriptions are more than just labels. They define roles and responsibilities, ensuring both parties understand expectations. Clear descriptions prevent role ambiguity and enhance performance. Work locations and start dates are crucial. Specify where the employee will work and when they begin. This clarity helps in logistical planning and ensures a smooth onboarding process. Probation periods are vital for assessing fit. They allow both parties to evaluate the working relationship. Clearly define the duration and terms to avoid future disputes. Working hours and overtime rates must be specified. Standard hours are typically 8 per day, with overtime compensated at higher rates. This ensures fair compensation and compliance with labor laws. Compensation and benefits play a key role in contracts. Outline salary, allowances, and perks clearly. This transparency fosters trust and motivates employees to perform at their best. Leave entitlements are a fundamental right. Employees should know their annual, sick, and maternity leave allowances. This knowledge empowers them to plan their time off effectively. If you need to know the UAE labor laws, kindly see the description box and see full video. Calculating sick and maternity leave and paternity is crucial. Ensure employees understand their entitlements and the process for claiming them. This clarity prevents disputes and promotes a supportive work environment. Compassionate and study leave are often overlooked. Including these in contracts shows empathy and support for personal growth. It enhances employee satisfaction and loyalty. Clear termination clauses are essential. They outline notice periods and valid reasons for ending employment. This transparency protects both parties and ensures a smooth transition. End-of-service benefits are a key consideration. They reward long-term service and provide financial security. Clearly define the calculation method to avoid misunderstandings. Non-compete clauses protect business interests. They prevent employees from joining competitors immediately after leaving. This safeguard maintains competitive advantage and business integrity. Confidentiality clauses are crucial for protecting sensitive information. They ensure employees maintain discretion, safeguarding company secrets. This trust is vital for maintaining a secure business environment. Handling disputes through MOHRE or labor court is essential. Registering contracts with MOHRE ensures legal compliance. Dual language contracts further enhance clarity and prevent misunderstandings. Also, in the end, we recommend the following books to be read as a growing HR professional given in the description box. For more HR-related updates, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.